Okay, we arrived at the entrance to the Worldwide Wonder Paradise Leisure and Vacation Stone Forest Park here in Kunming. The weather is really nice in Kunming today. It's in the 70s, and according to our research, it stays around that temperature all year round. So I mean, it's just beautiful. The skies are really blue, the clouds are really white and fluffy, and Lana checked.
Fluffy.
Yeah, how old are these rocks? You said 225 million years?
No, 250 million years.
Yeah.
Ago. They started.
And this is a World Heritage Site. So here are the rocks, and they look absolutely stunning. You want to wait for her escapade to finish?
Escape. She finished.
Okay. I'll just take this video from you if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure. Like this? Hold hand here. How? I never done.
I know you. So we have to see where's good, where we would both stand. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to hurt. Okay.
So we got fermented rice wine here, and it's supposed to be really good for your health. Like, it has different health benefits because it's fermented for several months, and the Chinese drink it for health purposes. So
Blood
we just bought.
circulation.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a blood tonic, and it's supposed to help you sleep, and it purifies your
I love my blood. I'm
toxins
already
too.
drunk.
常感谢我们美丽的稍东林给大家带来的这一支非常优美的泰国宫廷的舞蹈祈福舞撒花。
This is like
They're dancing like a Cambodia. I remember they were dancing the same. Wow. They look like sisters, oh my god.
we're here at Elephant Valley Park and we're about to get our tickets. So we decided to go with the tour this time, and the drive was quite, it was further than we thought. So we're just waiting for our tour guide to bring us our tickets, and then we're gonna head inside to see what's up. Our tour guide just paid for the ticket, so we're inside the park now, and we're gonna go check it out. So the tour cost about 200 RMB, which is about $30, 30 US dollars, and it includes round trip transportation, lunch, and the tickets into the park.
Right? And you will try it.
我给你们倒的这个不是石斛啊，烘的特别干，你们放在嘴里，口水打湿了，用大牙去磨哈，不要使劲的嘎巴。
就是比较贵，但是你这酒好比较便宜。大家帮我拍个照呗，不给了。感谢。哎，我以为你干嘛？一人还有拿一个。
Your friends are here. This one's little.
It's good we came in the right time, right?
Okay, now we came to Xishuangbanna Virgin Forest Park, and we are about to go in to see the peacocks.
看一下这个去玩的啊，谈乡组做的去玩手链，看那种森林、看公园可以爬虫子的。
I like the smell of the insect. So only the females can fly. Only the females. It seems like, because all the ones that flew to her were all the females. They're still coming. You want to go? They're still flying in. Hey guys, so we are at Xishuangbanna. This is near the night market and this is near the river as well. So we're just here exploring around at night and we're just going to walk around and see what's up around here. 尝一下。
Try. This is very tasty. Grapefruit. Try this. It's grapefruit.
It's different. Oh, wait.
But it's strange to see there.
Time on my shit expensive. See my ring, my watch, my chain, everything is lit. All this gold on a bitch, I feel like I'm slick. Cause I can taste it.
Bought a richer meal, I could've bought me a house, no joke. Feel like I'm the greatest rapper, came out this kind of fuck. I told her, top me for now. Oh God, she got ass shots, I told her, work on her mouth. Straight up. Everybody talking this, your mama taught you look both ways for crossing me.
They say my time is almost up, till them bitches wish. All these hoes looking gold on this bitch's fish sticks. Put a ribbon on my box, cause this pussy gifted. I ain't got no free time, on my shit expensive. See my ring, my watch, my chain, everything is lit. And this gold on a bitch, I feel like I'm slick, Rick. If they love me or they hate me, it don't make no difference. It be hard not to kill a hoe, cause I'm tempted.
We're going to try on traditional Thai dresses. And we're gonna be like Cinderella because she says we have to give them back by midnight.